Hello everybody. In today's video, we are going to remove a secondary Switch account using your Facebook application. So if you're also looking out for how to do so, this video will guide you exactly through the process. So make sure to watch this video till the end for that. So first of all, open up your Facebook account and ensure that you are logged in into the correct Facebook account or the main profile that manages the secondary account. After that, you can look out for your profile photo and open up the menu in the top right. Access of your menu right here, and there we go. From here you need to go ahead and access your settings and privacy. Scroll down for that, find it up and tap on it. After that you can select the option of settings here, and that will open up your settings on your page. From here what you need to do is basically go ahead and tap on this option called see more in account center, and that will give you access to your account center right here. Now on the account center page, you need to scroll down and go to the section for personal details. So go ahead and tap on it and you can select the option of account ownership and control. So from here, you can tap on this option called account ownership and control. So just go ahead and do so. And under the space, what you can do is basically select the option for deactivation or deletion. So tap on it. And once you tap on deactivation or deletion, you need to choose the account or the profile you want to delete and tap on delete. So tap on your Facebook, and once you tap on Facebook, you can select the deactivate or the delete account option and tap on continue. And once you do so, what will happen is if there is secondary account available, a switch account on your Facebook app, those will also be deactivated and will be removed. So you can tap on this continue option. After that, once you continue, you can just go over and re-enter your password for security reasons. And once you complete up this process, Facebook will allow you a 30-day grace period to recover the account before the permanent deletion. You can just go over and reactivate them anytime. You can delete or deactivate your additional Facebook profiles individually this way, and that is it. So that is it, everybody. You can follow up this process. You just need to go to the account center for that, and then you should be able to remove a secondary switch account on Facebook app. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.